Students, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about another part of the cell that is called the cell wall. Cell wall is basically a protective layer provided around the cell in the plant cells. Okay. Remember, the cell wall is mainly found in the plant cell only. Okay. इस बात को हमेशा याद रखिएगा कि प्लांट जो आपकी सेल वॉल है दैट इज फाउंड इन प्लांट सेल्स ओनली, दैट इज नॉट फाउंड इन द एनिमल्स. ओके, सो rigid structure membrane in the plant cell. What is it made up of? It is made up of a molecule called cellulose. Okay, remember a third point, that is this membrane is a dead membrane. Okay, it is a non-living membrane. It is also selectively permeable. So the question will arise in your mind that in the last lecture I have told you that the cell is surrounded by a plasma membrane, but now I am saying you that the cell have a outer covering called the cell wall. What is the difference between the two? The differences are, first, what they are made up of. This plasma membrane was made up of lipids and protein, while the cell wall is made up of cellulose. Secondly, plasma membrane was a living membrane, while the cell wall is a dead membrane. Okay. Third difference was plasma membrane is found in all the plants and animals, while the cell wall is found only in plant cell. Okay, got it? So these are basically the differences between the plasma membrane and the cell wall. There is another part in this cell wall, that is this part. These are the two cells. These two cells are joined by a cementing layer called the middle lamella. Okay? Middle lamella is a layer which joins the two cells. Okay, and what, with the help of what they join? They join with the help of a material called pectin present in them. Okay, middle lamella is the cementing layer which joins the two cells. Okay, of the two cells. Okay, so what will happen? The two cells will join. Okay, they are independent, but what will happen? Their boundaries will get joined. Okay, so this is how the cell wall provide an structure to a body. Okay, in which various cells could be come in contact and they can provide a hard structure. Okay, so what are the functions of the cell wall? The first function of the cell wall is to provide cell the shape. Okay, जिस भी तरीके से आपकी सेल वॉल अरेंज होगी, क्योंकि सेल वॉल क्या है, डेड है, ये अपना स्ट्रक्चर चेंज नहीं करती है. सो व्हाट इट डू, इन व्हाटएवर द वे दिस सेल वॉल इज अरेंज्ड, दैट विल गिव द शेप टू द सेल. सेकंड, इट प्रोवाइड द स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, स्ट्रेंथ मींस इट प्रोवाइड एन बाउंड्री, a rigid boundary, so that the internal material of the cell cannot come to the contact with the external material, and it also provides the strength so that any other thing from outside the cell cannot enter inside the cell. This is also the protection of the cell. Okay, next, it provides turgidity, means it provides support to the cell. Okay, so that it do not rupture. Last is the passive of substance. It also provide only selective material to pass through it. So this is all about the cell wall. Okay, thank you, students. Students, draw the diagrams in your notebook. The diagram which I told you in the last lecture, you have to draw in your notebook. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you.